Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the application stays minimized in the taskbar on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the file explorer. And how would you do that? So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Let it load. Right click on the Windows Explorer, select Restart. The next solution is that some apps have this property like light shot, green shot, a lot of VPN apps. They do not have an application that opens. They will always stay minimized in the system tray, specifically here. So they are the way they are. You can just use them through the shortcuts methods like the shortcuts that are used to take screenshots on the system. The next one is to check for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.